How to access object attribute given string corresponding to name of that attribute. How do you set/get the values of attributes of t given by x?
There are built-in functions called getItter and setItter. In this case,
if you want to keep the logic hidden inside the class, you may prefer to use a generalized getter method like so. Outputs. Another approach that could hide it even better would be using the magic method _getAttribute_, but I kept getting an endless loop which I was unable to resolve when trying to retrieve the attribute value inside that method. Also note that you can alternatively use vars. In the above example, you could exchange getItRself, varName, by return var_self, varName, but getItr might be preferable according to the answer to what is the difference between vars and setItr.
Note, this answer is very outdated. It applies to Python 2 using the new module that was deprecated in 2008. There is Python built-in functions setItr and getItr, which can use to set and get the attribute of a class. A brief example.